points in the match, I realized that I was overhitting and going for too much. So when I just picked that up, I decided to dial back, and God helped me to stay focused throughout the match, and so the scoreline shows that I was focused.
I know because of the draw, you never played a lot of matches. So what was it like coming in, kind of dry almost?
Really, just banking on what I did in practice. I've been training, I've been hitting, so it's just confidence in knowing the stroke that I already have to bring that into the game setting.
It's my third encounter with Kalila, and I really respect how she plays. She pushes me to play much better. So now this was the third, and she's up 2-1, and I look forward to playing her again. She's really a pleasure to play with and pushes me to just play a better game.
And you coming in knowing what you had to do, what you think you had to do right today.
Well, I had to keep light on my feet because she moves the ball around. She's very precise with her shots. She runs a lot as well. So Kalila is really an all-rounder. So the most you can do is come with most I can do is come with my best game, because she's an all-round player. And I think I played as well as I could have. A few mistakes here and there, but she was the better player of the city.